I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. We'll unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello students, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to continue TEKS 4.4c, which is multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits, okay? So remember, in 3rd grade you learn how to multiply, which is your multiples, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on and so forth, 2, 4, 6, right? But today in 4th grade you learn how to multiply not one digit by one digit, but 2 digit by 2 digits, okay? So you're gonna be learning how to multiply big numbers, okay? So let's get started with some vocabulary and then we're gonna get started, okay? So our first vocabulary is going to be the first vocabulary that we're gonna learn is factor, okay? These are digits we can multiply together to get another digit called product. So for an example, if I write down 2 times 3 equals 6, okay? 2 and 3 are gonna be my factors, and 6 is going to be my product, okay? So now when we're multiplying, I'm gonna be saying what's gonna be my product. I'm not gonna say what's my answer anymore, okay? And you should be able to tell me, oh, my product is blank, okay? That's what I need to hear. I need to hear those vocabulary words, factors, product, okay? That's what I want to hear. Our next word, make sure you're writing everything, okay? Write down everything that's on the screen. Perfect, 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 perfect. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. Next vocabulary is perfect square. It's a digit that can be expressed by multiplying a digit by itself. For an example, 9 is a perfect square because it's a product of 3 times 3, okay? So 9 is a perfect square because when I multiply 3 times 3, it equals 9, okay? So for an example, I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? And that creates a perfect square. Not because of the shape, but because the factors are the same, okay? Give me another example of a perfect square. 4, good. I hope you thought 4, because I can't read your mind, all right? So 2 times 2 equals 4, so therefore 4 is a perfect square because the factors can be multiplied by themselves, okay? Give me another example. 25, good. 25 is a perfect square because 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 is the perfect square because 5 times 5 equals 25, okay? Because this can be multiplied by itself, okay? My product is the perfect square, not my factors. Very important. Some of you are gonna get confused, okay? Excellent. Now, make sure you write this down, all right? So we're gonna be learning how to multiply 2 digits by 2 digits, and I'm gonna be showing you, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways on how to multiply. You can choose how to multiply 2 digits by 2 digits however you want, okay? But just make sure that you know all of them, okay? But whenever I tell you go ahead and multiply and give me the product, you choose however you want to do it, okay? But just know there might be a quiz or a test where it asks you how to do this, okay? Sometimes you can choose whatever way you want, sometimes you don't, okay? That's not up to us, so make sure you know all the ways. Alright, so the first method is called Airy Model. Sorry, array. I can't read today. Array, okay? So let's see, our example here today is 9 times 3. So what I'm gonna be doing is doing an array, and you've seen this in 3rd grade, okay? Don't act like you haven't, because you have. This is how you learn how to multiply in the first place, okay? So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, and I'm just gonna be creating the arrays, okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so imagine it's nice and neat just like this, okay? We have 3 going this way and 9 going this way. So if I multiply 3 times 9, it would equal 27. Let's count really quick, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Look at that. We get 27 because I have 3 going this way and 9 going this way, okay? So when I multiply 3 times 9, it equals 27. So that is one method on how to do multiplication, which is arrays. And you've seen this in 3rd grade, okay? Don't act like you haven't, because you have. Alright, our next method is called Lattice Method. Be very careful with this one. This is a really good method, but it'll be confusing to some of y'all, okay? So, alright, so when we're talking about the lattice method, okay, the first thing I need you to do is decompose each number to a single digit, okay, single digit. So when I take 27, I'm gonna break it apart to its single digits, okay? So that means I get 2 and 7, okay? 2 and 7. When I break 18, what am I supposed to get? Good, 1 and 8, okay? Lattice method, decompose each number to a single digit, okay? Just break them apart, that's all you're doing, okay? Slice and dice, okay? Slice and dice, slice and dice, okay? Alright, so now we gotta create a box. This is what the box looks like, okay? So I'm gonna create a box. I'm gonna create it small for right now, but and I'm gonna go really fast so that way you can see what it looks like. But this is just what it looks like, okay? Create a box, and then put a line in the middle, put a line on the sides, okay, just like that. Now, what you're gonna do is on each box, you're gonna create a diagonal line just like this, okay? So slice, slice, diagonal just like this, okay? So start from right here, and then bam, okay? Start up here, and then bam, and then continue. Start up here, bam. Start up here, bam, okay? So your lines need to go like this, okay? This way, okay? They need to go this way. Very important. I had a few students do this, okay? This is the wrong way to do this. You don't want to do that, okay? It doesn't go like this. It goes like this, okay? Make sure you know, okay? Like this, all right? That's how we create the box. All right, so let's actually fill in the box. So I'm gonna create it a little bit bigger, okay? Because I need to make sure I have enough space in it. And this is a really good method, but I have a lot of students that kind of get tripped up about this, okay? Okay, so here's my big box. You don't have to make it that big, but I'm gonna make it that big so that way, we know what to do, okay? Now, which way do we do it? This way, A or B? A or B? A or B? B, good. Okay, all right, so it's gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go all the way down. Perfect. This one up here, this one up here. Perfect, okay? So now, and I'm gonna erase these two because they're in my way. Shoo, shoo. Thank you. All right. So now what you're gonna do is just put the numbers on top. So here I have 2 and 7, and now on the side, okay, on the side. And I'll have 1 and 8, okay? So now I'm multiplying 27 on top and 18 on the side, okay? See how it's still 27 and 18? Okay, good. Now, what you're gonna do is just multiply across, okay? Multiply across. In each box, okay? It's very important. This is a box, okay? In this box, I'm gonna multiply what? What two are touching, okay? 1 and 2. Perfect. Okay? 1 times 2, which is what? 2. Good, okay? So here in this spot, okay, I'm just gonna write 1 times 2. You don't have to do that, but because we're starting, you need to know where things go, okay? So 1 times 2 is what? 2. Good. In the box, it gives you 2 place values, okay? Here is the ones place. Here is a tens place, okay? 2 is in what place value? Good, the ones. Okay. Do I have a digit in a tens place? No. Good. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna write it like that. Now, in my next box here, okay, I'm gonna be multiplying what two numbers? 1 and 7. Good. So 1 times 7 equals what? 1 times 7 is what? Good, 7. Again, here's my ones place value and here's my tens place value. 7 goes where? In my ones place value. Good. Do I have anything in the sevens place value? No. Good. I mean the tens place value. Good. I don't have nothing, okay? Let me scroll down just a little bit. Alright, perfect. Okay. Alright, next box. Down here. Okay. What two numbers are they touching? 2 and 8. Good. 2 times 8. What's 2 times 8? 16. Good. Again, here I have the ones place and the tens place. 16. What number is in the ones place value? Good. The 6. And what number is the 1 in? Tens place. Good. So I'm going to write it like this. Perfect. Make sure you copy down everything, okay? Last box. All right, so here I have what? What two numbers are gonna multiplying? 7 times 8, good. Okay. 7 times 8. What's 7 times 8? Good, 56. Okay, so I have 56. The 6 is in what place value? The ones, good. The 5 is in what place value? Good, tens. So that means I'm gonna write it like this. Okay, good. Now we just gotta add the numbers diagonally. Okay, we just gotta add the numbers going down. Here's how you add them. Okay. I'm gonna add color, and I suggest you do it too. And if you don't have color, that's fine. Just make sure you do it diagonally, okay? So this is gonna be added by itself. All of this is gonna be added together. Then all of this is gonna be added together. And then lastly, this is gonna be added by itself, okay? See how it's all diagonally, okay? All right. So let's go ahead and add the numbers now. So here, 6 plus by itself is what? 6. Good. Okay. Now we have 7 plus 5 plus 6. Remember, do one thing at a time. So what's 7 plus 5? Good. 12. Now plus 6. Good. 18. But remember, can 2 digits go in one place value? No, good. So I'm gonna put the 8 down here and I'm gonna give that 1 to my neighbor, okay? So I'm gonna put it here in red so that way I don't get confused. So now in the pink side, okay? 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, we're gonna do it one number at a time. 1 plus 2 is what? 3, good. Plus 1? 4, good. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right there. And then last number is what? 0, good. Okay, so now that's my number. My product is 486. Okay? I know it's a little bit confusing. Don't worry, I understand. But that's why you can always rewind and just kind of slow down and take things one thing at a time, okay? Please make sure you copy down these notes, okay? Alright, this video is getting way too long, so I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna give you the other notes as we go along, okay? As we go along. I'll see you next time. Bye.